Fellas, Tapswap has announced on its Twitter page when it'll be launching its coin. This is a great news to all Tapswapper. Now, the question is, when exactly is Tapswap launching? Relax, I'll show you guys the screenshot from Tapswap's page. Also, like I indicated in this video's title, I also plan to show you a secret hack of how to tap 20 times faster on either Tapswap, Memify, or any other Telegram tapping project that you're on. Although I've dropped the trick on my private insider Telegram group and most of my members are already enjoying it. Therefore, if you've not joined the group yet, I'll advise you to use the link I'll drop in this video's description and also pinned to the comments section to join. This is because that's where I drop most important money-making info that I can't easily make the video to be dropped here. Moreover, it's only in the group that you can get to chat with me directly. So you should hurry and join. So guys, when exactly is Tapswap launching? Well, according to their Twitter page, they'll be launching this May 30. That's few days from now, as you can see right on your screen. But the most important thing right now is that most people are yet to connect their Solana wallet. The thing is, if your Solana wallet is not connected properly, you won't receive the airdrop when it launches, because there's no way for them to send you your earnings when your wallet is not connected. I'll take a few moments to quickly teach you how to connect it properly. But just before I begin teaching you, I need to tell you guys other 5 projects that I've been mining aside from Tapswap that is all going to make us quite a lot of money, and guess what guys, it's all free. These projects are just easily mined right in the Telegram app like Notcoin and Tapswap. Guys, you shouldn't ignore any of the 6 projects because it's all going to yield just like Notcoin. I'll drop the direct link to join those free projects in this video's description and also pin it in the comments section. Now, back to teaching you guys how you can easily connect your Solana wallet. I'll let Sheriff explain it properly to you in full details. So, Sheriff, unto you.
Okay guys, here is how to go check if your Solana wallet is connected. First of all, you click on task right here. Then, once you click on the task, you are going to see this connect Solana wallets. As you guys can see right here, it's already marked. If you see that yours is not marked, that means you've not connected it yet. So you can also tap on it to see whether the mission is completed or not. So let's tap on it to see. As you guys can see right here, the mission is completed. So this means that my Solana wallet has been successfully connected to my Tapswap. So now, in case you see that yours is not completed, I'm going to teach you how to easily connect it, because I know a lot of people are having issues with connecting it, and I'm going to show you exactly how to connect it easily. So I'm going to use my second Solana Tapswap account to run it. So guys, here is my second Tapswap account. So now let's try to connect this account to Solana wallet. So the first thing you need to do is to click on task right here. So I'm going to click on task. Now you click on connect Solana wallets. Connect Solana wallets. Okay, now you click on start mission right here, but you need to download an app called Phantom Wallet. So this Phantom Wallet is what you are going to use to connect to your Tapswap. This Phantom Wallet is also a Solana wallet. So you are going to need to download Phantom Wallet. As you guys can see right here, Phantom Wallet is also a Solana wallet. So click on this link right here to go download the Phantom Wallet app. So once you tap on the link, it's going to try to refer you to your Phantom Wallet. Download, in Google Play. So as you guys can see, this is where you get to download it. But I'll just click on update to update it. Now I'll open. You need to click on understood. So as you guys can see, this is the Solana wallet right here. This is how it's going to bring it once you've downloaded yours. So now, how do you connect it? Go back to your Tapswap. Then click on go once again. So if you click on go, it's going to try to refer you to your Solana wallet. So right here, this is where you get to connect. So you click on connect right here, connect. So tap on connect. So as you guys can see, it has been successfully connected. So now let's go back to our Tapswap to confirm if it has been detected. So you click on check right here to confirm. Go back and enter again to click on the check. Check. It's going to take about 27 seconds. So I will just pause this video and play it back once it's done. So as you guys can see, the mission has been completed. You can easily click here to go check the status, whether a Solana wallet is connected or not. But as you guys can see, it has already been completed right here, as you can see on the screen. So this is how you can connect your Solana wallet easily. So if you have any question, you can drop in the comment section. And guys, about how you can mine your token 20 times faster than normal, I did promise that I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. So I recently dropped a video about 3 to 4 hours ago. Go check my channel, check the video I dropped before this one. I comprehensively explain how you get to tap your coin, how to tap your MemeFi, your Phantom wallet, and any other project you're tapping, how you get to tap it faster, 20 times faster than others, and you can easily accumulate millions. And you can also join my group, because I used to drop tips and tricks about how you can, go about Tapswap, how you can easily accumulate more points, and all tricks related to Tapswap, MemeFi, Hamster, and other tapping projects.
There's a very important news, or let me say update, which I felt the need to tell you guys. As we all know, Notcoin token just launched on Binance and other crypto a few hours ago, and many of us just made thousands of dollars easy just by this free Telegram app mining. Guys, I brought update about this Notcoin previously, and many people choose to ignore it. Now, there is another chance for us to quickly join another project just like Notcoin, which is sure to also make us a lot of money just like Notcoin did. And guess what, guys? All these projects are free to be mined on Telegram app just like Notcoin did. There are 5 of these projects, and you guys should be sure not to miss a single one of the 5, because each of it is all going to make us lots of money. The first one is YesCoin, which is already mentioned by Binance. Second one is Tapswap by Solana. The third is Near by BNB. The fourth one is MemeFi, and the last one is PocketFi. I'll drop the link to register all in this video's description, and also pin it in the comments section. Guys, I repeat, do not miss all these 5 simply mined project on Telegram. In case you got confused or you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section or join my newly created Insider Telegram group, where you'll get to interact with me directly about anything regarding to crypto or making money in general. But I came to this conclusion using a well-considered fact. Let's follow reality rather than dreams.